Here's an example of the make or buy decision. So we have a company that is currently making 65,000 parts that it needs. We can see the direct materials costs, the direct labor costs, the incremental overhead. So this is the overhead that's incurred to make this specific part. Here we're told the predetermined overhead rate that's used to allocate overhead to products. We can buy the part from a supplier for $3.25. So in order to determine if we should make or buy the part, we need to calculate the cost to make the part and compare that to the cost to buy the part. So to make the part, it's $1.05 in direct materials, it's 90 cents in direct labor, and then the incremental overhead, we're only going to consider the overhead that's going to be incurred to make this part. Okay? We don't take into account the predetermined overhead rate. Okay? We only consider the overhead that's going to be incurred if we make this part. And if we buy this part, we will not incur this overhead. So we take that $74,750 and we divide it by the 65,000 parts, and that's our overhead per part. The cost to buy the part is $3.25. So our cost per unit to make the part comes to $3.10 versus the $3.25 to buy it. So the difference of 15 cents is going to be the savings that we will have if we continue to make the part. That should be our decision because it costs less to make the part ourselves than it would be to buy it from a supplier.